Hey guys, another update on UnitedHealth Group. There was some good news and we had a good pump here in the post-market, pre-market. And yeah, we have now reached this area that I talked about. And this is then the fight that's gonna have to happen, okay? Stay and close below here, the point of control. And you put pressure on going down again, okay? And this labeling as an ABC. This C wave now really strong one though. It's also beyond the 618. That's, I think, putting pressure on the bearish scenario because this is very strong, okay? A C wave should not go beyond the 618. I mean, it can, but once you go beyond the 618, it lowers the probabilities for it to be a C wave, rather a wave 3. In this case, we can't say a wave 3 because we're using a overshooting B wave here. For the bulls, if this is the low, 5, you have like a 1-2 in here. And then next up would be the 618, 1.618 at 311, and then the 786 at 315. For the bulls, it's, yeah, the higher this can move here locally, the better, okay? Then we would have to go with this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, you want to see a 5-wave move in wave C as well. But because of this large gap and this large pump, it's, I think, tricky to do that analysis. We don't have data. So that's why I think it's important to focus on this point of control still at 305.43. Close below it with a strong red candle then on the daily maybe even. And we would put pressure on going down again, close above it and then stay above it for the rest of the week. Make here a 4th wave, a 5th wave would increase probabilities that this is a 5-wave move in a first wave 1 and then a wave 2. Okay, so battle is taking place now, in my opinion. Very unclear chart. I'm sorry, I talked about it yesterday that this looks really tricky to analyze. Now it makes it even trickier because of this gap and this jump. We have a gap here as well. We have a gap here as well. So it's really not easy. But yeah, I'm trying my best. Point of control, again, is the most important one to watch in my opinion. And yeah, for the bulls, the higher this can push, the better. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.